Sync items with inventory for unified stock control. Item management begins in the master module to synchronize core production data with inventory. This integration ensures that every item in the master reflects factual details and real-time stock levels across the enterprise. The manufacturer master centralizes manufacturer details to streamline procurement and supply chain tracking. Resyncing from inventory updates manufacturer records to maintain consistency between warehouse and production modules. Brand master organizes products by their market identity for better reporting and consumer analysis. Synchronizing brand data ensures that new product lines are immediately available for production planning. Item category defines the structural hierarchy used to classify materials and finished products. Resyncing item categories ensures inventory classifications align with production workflows and financial mapping. The item master serves as the definitive record for all physical inventory products within the system. Syncing basic data ensures specifications and unit measurements are uniform across all departments, and resyncing from inventory pools updated stock attributes to prevent discrepancies during manufacturing. Accounting group determines how item transactions impact the general ledger and financial statements. This synchronization enforces accurate cost tracking by linking inventory movements directly to defined general ledger accounts. Maintaining synchronized item records ensures data integrity and seamless operational flow between warehouse and production. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.